Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to update Facebook app on your iPhone. And now let's start right in now. To update your Facebook app on your iPhone, first you'll be required to open the App Store like this on your iPhone. And after opening your App Store, you can see the search button available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that search button, and after you land over here on the top of the screen, you can see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in Facebook and search for it. You can see guys, there is the Facebook app over here, and guys, you can see there is the open button. If there was the update button available instead of the open on the Facebook app, then the app on your phone needs an updating. But if it shows an open button, your app will not be required to update it, or your app is up to date. And this is how you check or update your Facebook on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.